welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 26, and I'm Lily, your super excited host who's ready to chat all things English with you today.
And I'm Ben, the co-host who's finally awake after my second cup of coffee. Hello, lovely listeners. Today we're talking about morning habits, those little things you do after you wake up. It's going to be full of real, daily English conversation, perfect for practicing natural speaking and listening.
Yes, no matter if you're a total beginner or already pretty confident, this episode is for you. We'll keep everything relaxed, friendly, and cozy, like we're just hanging out in a warm kitchen on a Sunday morning, sharing stories and laughing together.
And don't worry, we'll highlight keywords and phrases in bold so you can spot them easily and remember them better.
Exactly. Plus, we'll have some fun interactive moments where you can pause the podcast and repeat after us out loud. Speaking out loud is one of the best ways to improve, so don't be shy. Say it with energy.
Let's jump right in. Ben, tell me honestly, what's the very first thing you do when your alarm goes off in the morning? Do you jump out of bed full of energy?
Jump out of bed? I wish. No, the first thing I usually do is hit the snooze button. You know, that magical button that says, just 5 more minutes. And then I do it again and again. It's my biggest weakness.
I totally get it. So many people hit the snooze button. It's super common. Listeners, if that's you too, raise your hand or just nod and smile. Okay, everyone, let's practice this phrase together. Repeat after me. I hit the snooze button. Go ahead, say it out loud.
Awesome. I bet you sounded great. After the third snooze, I finally force myself to get out of bed. My body feels heavy, like, no, stay here. But I sit up slowly and stretch my arms above my head. It feels so good.
Stretching is the best. It helps shake off the sleepiness. I do the same. Big stretch. Maybe touch my toes. Listeners, try it right now if you're sitting. Repeat. I stretch my arms when I wake up. Say it nice and clear.
Perfect. Next for me is heading to the bathroom. I brush my teeth first thing. That minty freshness wakes up my whole face. Then I wash my face with cool water. Brrr, but it works.
Cool water is my favorite too. It really helps you wake up fully. Some people use warm water, but cold is like a gentle shock to the system. Key phrase here, wake up fully. Everyone repeat. Cold water helps me wake up fully.
Great job. After that, I always make my bed. It only takes 1 minute, but it makes the bedroom look tidy right away. And it gives me that little sense of accomplishment, like, yes, I already did something good today.
I love that. Making the bed is such a powerful morning habit. It sets a positive tone for everything else. Listeners, do you make your bed? Think about it and say out loud, I make my bed every morning. Or if you don't yet, say, I'm going to start making my bed.
Yes, start small. It feels amazing. Now, kitchen time. I go downstairs and brew some coffee. The smell, oh man, it's heaven. That rich coffee aroma fills the whole house.
I can almost smell it. For me, it's tea. I boil water and steep a tea bag, but coffee lovers, we understand you. Key phrase, brew some coffee. Repeat after Ben. I brew some coffee in the morning.
You got it. While the coffee is brewing, I usually pour a glass of water and drink it all. Hydration first. It kickstarts my metabolism and makes me feel refreshed from the inside.
So smart. Drinking water right after waking up is one of the healthiest habits. I do the same. A big glass of water, sometimes with lemon. Freeze to remember. Drink a glass of water. Everyone together. First thing, I drink a glass of water.
Excellent. Now, breakfast. I'm not fancy. I grab a quick bite. Maybe pour a bowl of cereal, add milk, and eat it standing up if I'm in a rush.
Haha, standing up breakfast. Very relatable. I like something simple too, like toast with avocado or yogurt with fruit. Grab a quick bite is a super useful everyday phrase. Let's practice. Sometimes I just grab a quick bite.
Perfect. While eating, do you check your phone, Ben? Be honest.
Guilty. I scroll through messages, reply to friends who said good morning, maybe check the weather. But I try to limit it to 10 minutes or suddenly half an hour is gone.
Same here. We say good morning texts are nice. It helps you connect with people early. But yeah, the phone can be a time thief. Phrase, check my phone. Repeat, I check my phone over breakfast.
Spot on. After eating, it's time to get dressed. I open the closet, pick out clothes, usually jeans and a comfy shirt for casual days. If it's work, maybe something smarter.
For me, I often just throw on whatever's clean and comfortable. Throw on means put on quickly and casually. Super common in daily talk. Listeners, repeat after me. I throw on my clothes in the morning.
Nice. Don't forget the details, comb my hair, apply deodorant, maybe a quick spray of perfume or cologne. Gotta smell fresh.
Yes, personal hygiene is important. I also do a simple skincare routine, cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. It takes 5 minutes but makes my skin happy all day.
You're inspiring me to step up my game. If I have a beard day, I might shave quickly. Smooth face, ready to go.
And makeup for some of us, I put on a little mascara and lip balm. It boosts confidence. Phrase, put on makeup. If it applies to you, say, I put on makeup lightly.
Great. Now, if I'm feeling energetic, I squeeze in a quick workout. Maybe 10 push-ups, some jumping jacks, or yoga stretches on the mat.
Love that. Move me in the morning gets the blood flowing. I prefer gentle yoga or a short walk outside to get some fresh air. Fresh air is so invigorating.
Get some fresh air. Useful phrase. Repeat. I go outside to get some fresh air.
Wonderful. Before leaving the house, I pack my bag. Phone, keys, wallet, notebook, and I always double check so I don't forget anything.
Oh, the panic of forgetting keys happened to me so many times. Now I have a little hook by the door. Life changer.
Smart. For people with kids or pets, mornings include extra steps like feeding the dog, packing school lunches, or gently waking children with rise and shine.
Rise and shine is such a cheerful idiom. It means wake up happily and get going. Everyone, say it with a big smile. Rise and shine.
You all sound so happy. Another fun one, get up and at 'em, means start the day energetically.
Yes. Repeat. Time to get up and at 'em.
Perfect. Some people hit the ground running, meaning they start the day super productive right away.
That's advanced level. Phrase, hit the ground running. Try it. On good days, I hit the ground running.
Awesome. Now, let's have a little joke break to keep things light. Why did the coffee file a police report?
Why?
It got mugged. Get it? Mugged, like robbed, but also a coffee mug.
Oh, groan, but I love it. Here's mine. Why don't secrets last in the morning?
Tell me.
Because the coffee always spills the beans.
Nice one. Coffee jokes wake everyone up.
Totally. Another habit some people love is journaling. They write 3 things they're grateful for or plans for the day. It helps clear the mind.
Beautiful. Or short meditation, just 5 minutes of deep breathing to center yourself.
I need to try that more, instead of rushing around saying hurry up to myself.
Rushing mornings can be stressful. Better to wake up bright and early to have extra time.
Bright and early, another great idiom. Repeat. I try to wake up bright and early.
Excellent. Cultural fun fact. In many countries, mornings include family breakfast together. In others, it's quick coffee on the go, like drive-through coffee.
Or in Spain, some people have breakfast twice, once at home, then coffee with colleagues.
The world is so diverse. Sharing these helps build vocabulary naturally.
Absolutely. Let's do a quick role-play conversation. Imagine 2 roommates in the morning.
Okay, I'll start. Hey Ben, good morning. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Lily. Yeah, but I hit the snooze button 3 times. You?
Same. Now I'm brewing coffee. Want some?
Yes, please. I'll make the bed while it brews.
Great teamwork. Then let's grab a quick bite before work.
Simple, right? Listeners, pause and try your own short morning conversation out loud. Use phrases like good morning, brew coffee, grab a quick bite.
You're doing fantastic. This is how real English flows.
If mornings are hard for you, small tips. Prepare clothes the night before to streamline your routine.
Streamline means make smoother and faster. Good word. Or use a gentle alarm sound like birds chirping.
And say positive affirmations. Today is going to be a great day.
Repeat after me. I am ready for an amazing day.
Feel that energy? Powerful stuff.
For commuters, the routine continues outside. Catch the bus, drive to work, or walk listening to music or podcasts.
Like this one, music helps pump up the mood.
Or podcast to practice English. Wink, wink.
Self-promo level expert.
Also, some people read the news or a book on the train.
Multitasking pros.
Whatever your morning looks like, chaotic with kids, peaceful alone, rushed or relaxed, it's yours. And talking about it in English is great practice.
Totally. Try describing your full routine right now out loud. When I wake up, I hit the snooze button, then stretch, brush my teeth, make my bed, drink water, brew coffee.
Go as long as you can. Add details. You'll be amazed how much you know.
We're so proud of you for practicing.
Time for a quick overview of everything we covered today. We started with waking up, hitting the snooze button, getting out of bed, stretching, then bathroom basics, brush teeth, wash face, bedroom tidy, make the bed, kitchen time, brew coffee, drink water, grab a quick bite. Getting ready, get dressed, throw on clothes, personal hygiene, skincare. Extra habits, work out, yoga, get fresh air, journaling, meditation. Idioms like rise and shine, hit the ground running, bright and early, get up and at 'em, and lots of everyday phrases for real conversations.
We laughed with coffee and egg jokes, role-played, and you repeated tons of useful English out loud.
All to help you think and speak in English more naturally.
Now your homework, super easy and fun. Tomorrow morning, notice your habits and try to describe them in English, even just in your head or to the mirror. Then tell a friend, write it down, or comment on our YouTube video.
Keep practicing every day. Little by little, your English will feel effortless.
You're already doing amazing just by listening and repeating.
Thank you for joining us on this cozy morning chat. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and share with friends learning English.
See you in the next episode. Stay positive, stay curious.
Bye for now. Have a wonderful day, or as we say, rise and shine.